click on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi, today I'm going to make my favorite dessert cinnamon rolls. We'll make it in 3 steps. First, we'll make the dough. You will need 4 cups refined flour, 1 cup warm milk, half cup sugar, 1/3 cup melted butter, 2.5 teaspoon yeast, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Let's start. We'll mix all the dry ingredients. Sugar. We will add yeast. We will mix all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients later. We will add butter. We'll add milk. And now we will add vanilla essence. We'll mix it all to form a soft dough. This is so messy. Now I will dig in with my hands. We'll transfer it into a clean bowl. Ooh, that was nice. And cover it with cling film. Keep it in a warm place for at least 1 hour till it doubles. This has doubled in size. Now it's time for step 2. It's my punching bag. We'll add a flour on our surface and put our dough on it. Fold and stretch. Fold and stretch. We'll flatten it into a big rectangle. It takes a lot of work. For our filling, we'll add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup butter, and 3 tablespoons cinnamon powder. And now we'll mix it together. It smells very good. We'll spread it evenly on our dough. We'll roll it tightly. Now we will cut it into slices. It looks so good. We'll put some in a greased pan and some of them in a muffin pan. We'll cover it with cling film and leave it for about an hour. They have risen. We'll bake them in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for 15 minutes. Now, our third and final step. We'll make the glaze. 1.5 cup icing sugar, half cup cream cheese, 1/3 cup melted butter, half teaspoon vanilla essence. We'll whip this all together. Cream cheese, melted butter, and vanilla essence. Now I'll whisk it all together. It seems yummy. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it till it's smooth. It's almost done. Time to put it on our cinnamon rolls. They're sweet enough to be eaten without the glaze, but I love the glaze, so I'm adding lots and lots of it. These are the best rolls in the world because I have made them. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.